Hello guys, so today we are here to discuss one more interesting topic, and that is influence of social media on parents.
All the parents, they're so much engrossed themselves in social media, distracting themselves from the way they are supposed to be a good parent.
Simple lifestyle is something very complicated.
How do you perceive success?
Their limitation should be there. Not saying that
That is the most paying careers of all.
we need to have a balance in that.
कंजम्पशन की वजह से काफी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हैं हम लोग एंड अगेन नाउ यू आर सेइंग दैट अभी के टाइम के बच्चे काफी फोकस्ड हैं.
Stacey, don't play with my words.
एक IITN फिर वो IAS ऑफिसर बना एंड नाउ ही इज परसुइंग करियर इन इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक.
Do not let your parents pressure fall on you. कि मैं इंजीनियर बन भी गई तो मैं एक अच्छे इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाऊंगी. That is where our downfall starts.
A career that people enjoy.
I may be earning less than my friend, but I am happy.
स्टैंड लेने के लिए आप एज क्यों देख रहे हो कि अभी एक पर्टिकुलर एक टाइम पीरियड क्यों ले रहे हो?
I am not saying that you people, you Gen Zs are totally useless. I know.
Very indeed.
So
for us.
why?
Hello guys, so today we are here to discuss one more interesting topic, and that is influence of social media on parents. Like what is changing in their parenting because of social media. So ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Neha Anand. I'm working as PGT English and the academic coordinator presently in DPS Meerut. I have an experience of around 18 years, and thank you so much for calling me here. So now today we have selected this topic when we see all the parents, they're so much engrossed themselves in social media, they do not have time for their kids. And then when it's a time of going to the PTM, attending it, looking at the low grades in the PTM records, the parents themselves get baffled, confused that where are we actually lacking. So I think my point of view is that all the parents, they are so much engrossed themselves in making reels on social media, flaunting their dance moves, their speaking skills and everything on the social media that they do not actually get. They are actually party animal, I must say. So going anywhere, taking selfie, posting it on social media, eating whatever they are having over there, then showing it on social media. So I think this is somewhat distracting themselves from the way they are supposed to be a good parent. And this is how their children are actually lagging behind in studies. Not only in academics, like in studies they may be lagging behind, or they may be moving ahead in studies. But I think that as a human being, as a citizen, they are lacking everywhere, because parents, they are not able to focus completely on the overall development of their child.
So ma'am, in your definition, like you mentioned, they are not being the good parent. So
Right.
what is your definition of a good parent?
See, I'm not saying that we cannot take somebody's right to enjoy social media. It's a platform where everybody likes to enjoy, but their limitation should be there. Like as parents, like I am a parent, I have a son, I have a daughter. My son is a teenager, so I have set several limits for him, and even for me also. I know at the time when he is not around, that is my me time. There I can do whatever I want to. There I can be on social media too. But I need to give him time. Like whenever he is there around me, I should be the one who should be, giving him good moral values, teaching him whatever should be like there in his life to make him a good human being. So that time we do not have. The time when we are there with our own kids at home, we are only engrossed in seeing lives on Instagram, on showing reels, seeing reels on Instagram and Facebook. This is what we all are doing. So that is the time I think we should donate it to our own kids, tell them what should be done in their lives, or how can they shape their lives further, how can they make their future further. Mother is lying in her own bedroom making reels. Child is in his bedroom making reels. Child is posting reel on social media. The moment he posts it, within 1 second, the mother sitting in another bedroom will be the first one who will be liking it. So both of them are actually sitting live and doing it. So that is someone, like when I was a kid, I remember my mother, like she was there 24/7 after me. The moment I come back from school, she was the one who used to be there. Oh, I'll make hot chapatis for you. I didn't keep it in the casserole. Or she did not have any, as far as I remember, she did not have any maid at home. She was the one who was doing everything. She was the one who was like, okay, fine, you take sleep of 2 hours. After that, if you need to get up, you need to go to your tuition. And then she was worried, oh, my daughter is about to come. So I have to give her something, then she will be sitting, she'll be studying. And as far as I remember, or maybe your parents too, at this age, like she was the one who used to set her alarm. And who like not pressurizing much for me, like as it was for her. So I've seen her struggling, like they were simple parents, away from all this social media, Instagram, all this. Like we
I think कि आज के time पे simple parents and simple lifestyle is something very complicated. Like you mentioned that your mother was always available for you, but you are also a mother now. But you are working, so no matter you're not making reels or something, but you can't give that much time to your kids. Or so, what would you say on that?
See, exactly, I agree with you. I cannot give that much of time. I reach around 2:30. My kids reach around the same time. But we need to have a balance in that. What did I tell you? That I have my own me time. And that me time, I actually have made it like in this manner that, when they'll be going to the tuition, that's going to be my me time. It's not that I am not there active on social media, but the time that I have decided in my mind, this is my, children's time. That time I will not be entertaining any calls. That time I will not be, on social media. I'll be only focused on the overall development of my child.
There's more things that happen, like making reels. So nowadays it is the most paying careers of all. Like there was this one person who was saying that I was an IIT graduate and I'm not even earning as much as a social media influencer is earning. So ma'am, this has also become a career that people enjoy. So what would you say on that? Like how?
See, why did the child do IIT? First he became IIT graduate, then he actually this is so strange to actually see that the child actually got this degree and was searching for a job or wasn't making enough fortune that he had to fall in this. Fine, it can be the hobby. It can be the hobby for a person. Fine, he was an IIT graduate and it became like his hobby and he started minting money on that. That could be the reason.
So do you prefer it? It is a right thing to do?
It is a right thing to do. Actually, the thing is that you need to balance it. The way I said for mothers that they are making reels, but they have to balance with the time, their schedule with the timetable of their child. Similarly, I'm saying that fine, that if the child is interested or the person is interested in making reels and is working also, so that could be the fine. In that case, there is no problem.
तो आपने कुछ एक स्टेटमेंट बोला कि आईआईटी में पढ़ने के बाद उसने वो रील मेकिंग क्यों शुरू की. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप आईआईटी में पढ़ रहे हो या फिर आप उसके पहले ही अपनी ड्रीम को परस्यू कर सको, और या फिर आपको पता है एग्जैक्टली आपको लाइफ में करना है. लाइक आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. रिसेंटली एक आईआईटीएन फिर वो आईएएस ऑफिसर बना एंड नाउ ही इज परस्यूइंग करियर इन इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट रिमेंबर हिज नेम राइट नाउ. वन ऑफ हिज रील इज वेरी वायरल एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली सेंड इट टू यू.
See, he transformed his hobby, his pastime into a career. So that is a different thing. That's a different thing. He made his hobby, he transformed it into a career, successful career. He may be a successful person, the one we are quoting right now.
How do you perceive success?
How do we perceive the moment when we realize that yes, we are happy, I am happy.
Just being happy.
I am sitting here, I am happy with my career. People say that why don't you? I am PCM student. My parents wanted me to opt for engineering. I wasn't good at math, so I decided that fine, I cannot do it. If I'll be an engineer, I'll be a bad engineer. And I'll be lamenting after that. Why did I take? Okay, fine, PCM Lee. Got it. You people are smart enough. You do not let your parents' pressure fall on you. But that time we were so meek, we were so humble that whatever our parent used to say, my father said, no, you will take PCM, you will be an engineer. I took PCM. I studied physics, chemistry, got distinction in both the subjects. But in maths, I was a blunder. Never able to get, above 40 in that. I used to study 24/7 maths, but never got it. So I got this thing, I requested my parents. That time also, I requested. I didn't go, I didn't have fight. That's you people, you stand. Like if you have something in your mind, you stand against your parents. That no, I won't do it. I requested my parents, ki Papa, okay, fine. I'll take admission. We'll have admission in good colleges. Like as per as your demand, your wishes, but I cannot be a good engineer. I opted for English.
So do you wish that आप तब stand ले पाते?
स्टैंड तो लिया ना, आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम, उनको बिठाया, उनको समझाया कि मैं इंजीनियर बन भी गई तो मैं एक अच्छी इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाऊंगी, आई विल बी अ फ्लॉप शो ओवर देयर.
But still,
I had interest in English. I told them कि let me go for English honors, let me go for post graduation in English. I can be a good teacher. I opted for it, and I'm very happy in this profession.
but still you said ना कि you have to opt for PCM. तो आपको वो 2 साल वो प्रेशर, वो स्ट्रेस में वो मैथ्स पढ़ना पड़ा, चाहे आपके 40 है. तो आप नहीं चाहते थे कि हाँ शायद वो प्रेशर रिवर्स हो जाए, शायद आज आप नहीं चाहते, बट उस टाइम पे तो चाहते.
उस टाइम या बिल्कुल चाहते, क्यों नहीं चाहते.
मैम आपने जो क्वेश्चन लाइक आपने जो स्टेटमेंट दी कि आपके बच्चे स्टैंड लेते तब क्यों नहीं लेते थे, क्यों नहीं लेते थे? स्टैंड लेने के लिए आप एज क्यों देख रहे हो कि अभी एक पर्टिकुलर एक टाइम पीरियड क्यों ले रहे हो? अभी के बच्चे भी उतना ऐसे नहीं
बच्चे नो
मैम.
You ask your parents, okay? You go home today,
My
buddy.
parents are very strict.
You ask your parents and you ask them how many times they stood against the wishes of their own parents.
That's the thing, they never did that.
People are struggling, and nowadays people go for maybe 20 or 20 years ago, people they had arranged marriage. Whatever father said, whatever mother said, they okay, fine. They were happy with that. But now you go and ask them. Their answer will be no. Why do we have extramarital affairs now? Because they're not happy in their weddings. This one, the recent one which we have now.
In Madhya Pradesh?
Not in Madhya Pradesh. Where did it happen? In Meghalaya. So why did that girl kill that innocent boy? I was not saying innocent boy. Why? Because she didn't have that courage to speak against her parents. Yeah, I don't want to get married to him.
So you think कि courage होनी चाहिए. This is the right thing about this.
Exactly, yeah. Courage, yeah. This is what I appreciate about you guys. But you people are courageous. You know what you are supposed to do. You people are focused for your goals.
Simple question, मैम. आपने पहले बोला कि contemporary time period के जो बच्चे हैं, they are distracted because they are consistently consuming reels and all. And at the very same time, you're speaking that we are very focused. Contemporary, as in Gen Zs. आपने पहले बोला कि रील्स एंड ऑल की वजह से, उनकी कंजम्पशन की वजह से काफी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है हम लोग. एंड अगेन नाउ यू आर सेइंग दैट अभी के टाइम के बच्चे काफी फोकस्ड हैं टुवर्ड्स देयर करियर एंड ऑल.
Sissy, don't play with my words.
No, he's not saying
I'm not
that.
playing with your words. I'm actually showcasing the contradiction in your words.
See, I am not saying that you people, you Gen Zs are totally useless. I'm not saying that. First of all.
Initially you meant that.
No.
Okay.
No, I didn't say that. My point of view was that, you people are actually engrossed over the limit.
Oh.
You should have some time slot should be given for this. Okay, fine, okay. That balance is just your reverse. 30 hours you're giving, 3 hours you're giving to social media, and just 40 minutes to your studies. I am not saying that you guys are totally useless. Please don't get disheartened.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me just explain my point. You are distracted because of mobile phone, and you need to admit that.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, he admits that.
Again,
But the thing that I adore, the most about you people is that you people are you know when where to take stand. You know where to stand again, maybe against your parents' wishes that I want this in my life. You know when where to take stand. You know where to stand again, maybe against your parents' wishes that I want this in my life. Clarity of thought should be there.
how
As
is
she's
it
clear.
possible to
So
be
let's
clear
stick
when
to
you
the
are saying that at the very
Let's stick
same
to the
time?
topic.
said this thing कि अब के सर बच्चे ऐसे हैं और मतलब पहले वालों में ऐसा नहीं था. So
मैम ने बोला, मैंने नहीं बोला.
हाँ, नहीं मैम ने ऐसा नहीं बोला था.
अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ क्लियर करो एग्जैक्टली आपने बोला क्या था.
उसको अंडरलाइन इन्वर्टेड कॉमा इटैलिक फॉन्ट्स में बोला है.
स्ट्राइक्स रुके
ठीक है, बिल्कुल. So the point is
Exactly.
that आपने बोला कि मतलब आप लोगों में करेज क्यों नहीं था.
मैम ने बोला
नहीं मैम ने तो बोला था कि हम नहीं बोल पाए थे. हम नहीं बोल पाए. नहीं, उनके टर्म्स अलग थे. आपने बोला था आपने क्यों नहीं.
कंटिन्यू हाँ प्लीज.
ठीक है. सो मतलब लास्ट डे भी हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन समवेयर अराउंड घूम के यहीं आया था जनरेशन गैप को लेके. वी डू हैव लॉर्ड रामा. बस एक बार कहा था दशरथ जी ने 14 साल का वनवास. तो क्या राम जी नहीं बोल सकते थे
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
मैं क्यों जाऊं.
ओके, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा.
यार लड़ने के मूड से बैठा है। मैम पानी दे दो।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ।
He is taking it not as a discussion but as a debate.
नहीं, but then तो obviously मतलब we could have one-on-one on these things.
प्लीज
हाँ,
I'll
so
enjoy that too.
नहीं,
बहुत time है।
अगर
We'll
आप
have it after this.
तो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि इस तरीके से because you have parents like one who are accepting this fact कि जो आपने बोला वो उसे एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं नहीं वैसे।
अभी तुमने बोला
मैंने पहले ही बोला
नहीं,
strict। सर
अच्छा,
आपका क्वेश्चन मैं समझ गया।
strict
पहले
बोला
राम
ना इसमें।
पहले राम जी
राम
क्या
का।
थे?
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन राम नहीं है, मेरा क्वेश्चन है मेरा
ओके जनरेशन गैप। ओके ओके मैं समझ गया,
कि
समझ गया।
हम अगर बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज नॉट अबाउट मी ओनली, यू आर एन एक्सेप्शन, मतलब यू माइट बी एन एक्सेप्शन। आजकल के जितने भी पेरेंट्स हैं 90% पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों की सुनते हैं।
हम थोड़ा कूल हो गए हैं।
एक्सेप्शंस और
आपने वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं किया ना।
हम
और
थोड़े
शायद और शायद जब तुम पेरेंट्स बनोगे तो तुम कूलेस्ट बनोगे शायद, मतलब और वो एक्सेप्शन
सर मैम के अकॉर्डिंग हम कहने सुनिए।
मतलब ये क्या है कि आज
मैम मैं क्यों करूँगा?
तूने बोला ना तेरे ऊपर हो रहा है zoom।
हाँ, तभी तो मैं नहीं करूँगा ना, मुझे पता है ना किसी
नहीं
ओके,
मैं तो टीचर था, मेरे टीचर ने सरप्राइज टेस्ट लिया, मैं टीचर बन के सरप्राइज टेस्ट लूंगा।
मैं सरप्राइज दूंगा, टेस्ट नहीं लूंगा। सर
So yes,
मैम
sir.